Welcome to ToonyPanda.
In the jungle, desert, sea, and sand, snakes are crawling across the land. Some are big and some are small. Let's learn about them one and all. Python's the biggest snake you'll see. It wraps, it squeezes, no bite for me. It lives in trees and jungle ground. In Africa and Asia, it's often found.
Green anaconda, strong and wide, swims in rivers where it likes to hide. From South America it hunts with might, grabs its prey, squeezes tight.
Fish birds, not venomous. King cobra, long and sly, with a hood held high, it looks in the eye. From forests of India it makes its home, a venomous king that likes to roam. Other snakes, venomous. Other snakes, venomous.
Boa constrictor, calm and thick, lives in trees where it moves so slick. It doesn't bite with venom inside, just hugs its prey till it can't hide.
Birds, monkeys, not venomous. Reticulated python with patterns bright. From Southeast Asia it's quite a sight. It slithers through forests, bold and proud, silent and smooth, but never loud. Pigs, deer, not venomous.
Black mamba, super fast, if you blink it zooms right past. It lives in Africa's dusty land, with deadly venom close at hand.
Birds, rodents, venomous.
Rattlesnake with a rattle tail, warns with a shake when it's about to wail. In the deserts of USA it stays, hiding in rocks or sunny bays.
Mice, birds venomous. Indian cobra, hood so wide, in stories and shows it won't hide. It lives in fields and village barns, with venom strong and coiling charms. Coral snake, color so bright, red, yellow, and black inside. It lives in forests, quiet and deep, and bites with venom while you sleep. Lizards, snakes, venomous.
Garter snake, gentle and thin, in gardens and grass it slithers in. It's found in North America, white, and gives small frogs a bumpy ride.
Worms, frogs, mildly venomous.
Russell's viper with zigzag skin, it hides in leaves with a deadly grin. It lives in Asia's grassy lands, one of the most feared in human hands.
Thieves, roads venomous. Sea snake, it swims so fast in oceans deep and coral cast. It breathes air and loves the sea, with venom strong as it can be. Fish.
Milk snake, red and black, don't confuse it, step right back. It mimics coral to stay safe and sound, but it's harmless when it's around.
Lice eggs, not venomous.
Hognose snake with a funny face, pretends it's dead, what a case. It lives in woods and loves to dig, but don't be fooled by its little gig.
Toads, mildly venomous. Blind snake, tiny and shy, like a little worm crawling by. It lives underground and likes to hide, eating ants where it resides. Snakes are sneaky, snakes are cool. Some are fierce and some just drool. Respect their space and let them be. They're part of nature's mystery.
Thanks for watching ToonyPanda. Subscribe and press the bell button on YouTube. Like our page on Facebook for more such videos.